Liza live here with Fit Tip Friday. Like I said, you're not going to want to miss out on Shawna's Fit Tip. It's pretty great. So Shawna is our director over our aquatics program. So Shawna, why don't you tell them how long you've been here at Apple Athletic Club? How long we've been lucky enough to have you?
Goodness. I've been doing this for over 32 years. I started when I was 2.
Wow. No, did you really start out in the water when you were 2?
Just kidding.
Okay. I started on the beach, in the ocean. No.
Well, that means I'm not very old, but I am.
You're not.
I started when my son turned 1, so 1985.
Wow, that's awesome. Okay, so as far as what we offer here for the aquatics, why don't you tell them a little bit about our indoor pools? We also have an amazing outdoor pool. We can't wait to open, so.
Yes, we have 3 beautiful pools, and we teach all of our classes in any of those 3 pools. In the summertime, we're outside. In the winter, we're inside. We can do a warm pool. We can do a cool pool. We have lots of options. All of our classes are just drop-in, so you don't even have to pay extra for them.
And yeah, that's amazing. And we offer a ton of amazing aquatics programs here, Group X programs here. Shawna teaches some of them, and she does a great job. We have a lot of members that love our indoor pool, so you got to come in and try them out. Okay, Shawna, why don't you tell our viewers what your Fit Tip Friday is for today?
My fit tip would be do it in the water. Because
do it in the water.
If you're injured, don't just stop working out. Do it in the water. You don't get injured in the water. The water is such a good medium to be in, and you can still continue your workout. Not because it's easy, but because it's easy on you. Could you do 100, not 100, let's go even more. Could you do an hour's worth of tuck jumps, 2-legged tuck jumps on land? Probably not. I've yet to see anyone who can, but you could do it in the water. You could do that. You would be bored stiff after an hour, but you could do it and you wouldn't be injured. So do it in the water.
I love that. So be sure you come into Apple Athletic Club and get hooked up with Shawna and her amazing instructors here at the club. Even if you've never started and have never even done, and a lot of people have this idea in their head, oh, well, those classes are for, for a senior man. You are so wrong. We have a lot of people, all ages, that like to participate. We also have the kids program too, lessons.
Swimming lessons year-round, swim club year-round. So something for everybody. You should really do it in the water.
Yeah, definitely. So be sure to come see us at Apple Athletic Club. Enjoy your weekend. Stay fit, you guys.
Happy Super Bowl.
Yes. Oh, yes.